Hi, my name is Jessie Chen. For this career profile project, I searched the job title Head Start in Early Head Start Health Assistant. The reason why I choose this because I have several friends share their wonderful experiences about Head Start program. So I like children and want to learn how they think and how to talk to them. I couldn't find one that closer where I live now, but it is great opportunity to search Head Start in another state. So the one that I found, sorry, that's my kids. Okay, the one that I found is in Texas. So in Texas, I don't know anyone. So the working environment that I found is the job typically working hours is from 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. Extended hours may be required. The worker must be able to adapt to flexible work schedules as established by the management. Because we are working with the children, the noisy level could be moderate to loud in working center. And it's required to drive because occasionally, they need to travel with a long distance and preferred computer skills. Okay, the typical stressors. The job may require long periods of standing or walking or pushing, pulling, lifting, or moving up to 25 pounds of supplies. If the other class assistant got sick, you might need to work with another teacher. It may have some nights and weekend work. And the typical benefits, you get weekends and holiday off. Just follow the school curriculum. The common job task. Okay. As assistants, we assist in the provision of quality mental health and disability service, provide technical assistance, training in facilitated resource access in the health center. Let's see. Okay, health service areas is requested by center staff and manager, and monitor records and program activities and work with the program staff. Assist health manager in the establishment and maintenance of the health service advisory committee, and capture value and appropriately document in kind non-federal share. The education requirements: a bachelor degree required or a minimum of an associate degree from an approved college or university in a field related to one of the main Head Start content areas. And the starting salary is about $11. The experience salary range is hardly, I couldn't see it, but from the review that I checked, the salary is hardly rise. The miscellaneous career information, I think this job will help me again and learn how to work and communicate with the children and parents. And also I will learn the mental health and disability service. I think it's really good that prepare me to work in the public or private schools or in the special education area in the future after I obtain more education. So some I found in my research the website, I found a career for teacher assistants in the future. I can work in the basic skills improvement program or instructional aides, classroom aides, educational assistant teachers, or public health training assistants, or special education teaching assistants. So I think there are more options you can learn. So this is sorry my kids. This is my my finding. Yeah, leave me a comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you very much. Bye.